Hello, this is my CS50 web programming project network. This is the social networking application where user can create posts, follow others users, like posts and edit their own posts. First, login. First I will log in into my account using my username, email ID, password and confirm password. I have kept the password small for now. And now I will do the same thing with the another username so that I can show you the how the post looks from another account. I have taken the name of jimin@gmail.com, password a smaller one password. Now we have another username Jimin and Purnima. We will now see next post. Creating a new post. I will create a new post. When I enter some text and submit, the post successfully created and appears on the page. Now we will start with the like button. I will demonstrate the like features. When I click on the like button, the count updates immediately without reloading the page. Clicking again will unlike the post. You can see how when I click on unlike button, the number will be reduced. I will do the same thing with the another account also. I will demonstrate. When I click on like button, you can see like has been come and then it will decrease if I unlike it again. Now let me show you all post button. Here we will see the all of their posters which have been uploaded. I will go to Purnima account and I will click on edit button to show the edit feature. I can modify the content. For now I am adding text 1 with some additional text, that is and 1. When I click on save, you can see the post updates instantly without reloading the page and it will reflect back immediately in the profile also. Now let's start with the profile page. Here I can see the user's post along with the number of followers and the number of users they are following. For now it's 0 as we haven't followed anyone. But from the another account of which is Jimin, we will follow the Purnima account. When I click on the Purnima link and click on follow button, you can see the number will increase immediately without reloading the page, which is like using JavaScript. When I click on unfollow, it will go back to the 0. Now this is what the profile page is about. Now I will show you the following page. This is the following page. It displays post only from user that I follow. For now we haven't followed anyone. So let's follow the account of Purnima from the account of Jimin. Let me go to all posts and I will click on Purnima link and will follow her. And then I will go to following page. You can see the Purnima account details and all the posts has been in this page. Now the next one, pagination. The application supports pagination showing 10 posts per page. I can navigate between pages using this control, but for do that we have to create 10 posts. I will quickly. I am done with the test 10 post. Now when I scroll down, I can see a reload button. When I click on that reload button, I can see the Purnima account here. This project is built using Django for the backend, JavaScript with the fetch for asynchronization updates, and Bootstrap for styling. This project fulfills all the specification has been mentioned. Thank you.